In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Getting rid of junk files on this OPPO is actually pretty easy because Files app. You already have it on your OPPO, so all you need to do is find it and click on it. When you're ready, select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on Clean. Then select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, I can see that all of my junk files were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!